initially I was going to play that character with sign language, without any sounds. I think people don't know that. All the parents are mostly in groups, and I'm not into any groups. So I think because I'm single, maybe it's hard to connect with these groups. I think with Priyanka, I think it was the day I met her, and the day we started doing our first film, there was something about the chemistry that I just felt like I'm in character. But I'm spiritual in a more realistic, in a more, I like to believe that I'm spiritual in a more practical manner. Change your destiny, good karma, prayers, hard work, everything plays a role. Money can't buy happiness.
Right.
Money can't buy good luck also. Money can only buy you external material things. You know, the beginning when I started my career and I played a role which had everything in it besides romance. This is like that. It just takes me back to those Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai days.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Filmy Gyan. मेरे साथ इस वक्त है तुषार कपूर. And firstly, congratulations for the
Thank you so
OTT
much.
debut. I'm so happy to interview you for the OTT project. So,
Yes.
firstly, what kind of feedbacks have you received so far for your first project?
So far so good. It's been positive. It's just been 4 days, and online so getting extremely good feedback. And I think it's a show that's going to reach not just the tier 1 audiences that you normally associate with OTT shows, but it's also
Right.
going to reach the tier 2 and tier 3 audiences.
Wow.
The masses or the single screen audience
Yeah.
for an OTT show. I think it's going to probably create new audiences. So excited.
एंड 10 जून की रात मैंने जब ट्रेलर देखा चलो वाओ इट्स सो इंट्रीगिंग एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट while we have seen the element in you in Golmaal, people always try to look out for that one element in you, and now this is something new, refreshing. The trailer also looks so refreshing. What made you say yes? Was it the script? Was it OTT की चलो आप debut कर लेते हैं OTT पे? Have been waiting for since a long, or why did you take so long?
It wasn't planned, the wait to come on OTT. I think it was just about having the project or whatever I said yes to fall into place, and the production dynamics to work out. So this show, when it came and I said yes to it, they were ready to shoot in a few months. So I think that's just probably coincidental.
Okay.
And I've done Boo Sabki Pategi before, and I've produced a film also called Lakshmi, which released on OTT.
Yes.
But I think nowadays, I think you can't really predict what the circumstances are going to be about the projects that you greenlight. Whether they get greenlit or not is another story altogether. And then where they release is another story altogether. Sometimes they release directly in the theaters. Sometimes it goes directly on OTT.
Yeah.
So this show, I think everything fell into place from the word go. I think there's some good luck associated with it. I think it's a storyline. For me, I think besides the fact that, okay, I felt like this team is going to see that this show reaches the audiences in the right manner possible. I also like the story. I like my character. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि it's very refreshing to be able to play a character which has so many shades to it, so many aspects to it. Not just a typical comic character or a typical action-oriented character. It's like a variety of shades that Panoti has to go through.
Yeah.
So I think that gave me a chance to come back to, the beginning when I started my career and I played a role which had everything in it besides romance. This is like that. It just takes me back to those Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai days where, it's not just comedy or just romance. It's about being a complete hero. So that is what I liked about it.
And since you mentioned मुझे कुछ कहना है, that is one of my favorite film. And I think during the school days it got released और तभी DVDs मिलते थे, CDs जो हम शॉप से लेके आए थे. और मैं छुप छुप के मैंने ये मूवी देखी थी, and I loved it because at that time you were in a delusional era where you were just romanticizing things for yourself.
Yeah, we were very innocent in those days.
Very innocent. The love was also very innocent. Unlike today, there is green flag, red flag, all this debate going on. Earlier, we did not even know this terms.
Yes,
right? So yeah, and talking about Panoti. Panoti word हम सबके लिए काफी relatable है, especially in India कि कुछ भी हो जाए यार Panoti. ऐसे आपके साथ हुआ है कभी कि यार कुछ भी हो जाता है तो do you say such words in real life?
I don't say, but we all do feel it sometimes, certain days. Sometimes when you take a flight and everything goes wrong. Sometimes when you start a project and everything gets delayed. And COVID में तो I think everybody thought that सबको पनौती लग गई है.
पूरी दुनिया को पनौती लग गई है.
It's like the karma of the whole world has gone wrong and God is punishing us for some old deeds. But the idea is to be able to face it and to be able to change your outlook and attitude towards it. I think if you have a positive attitude, I think that bad energy will also go.
Wow.
I think it all comes from within. I believe in luck, but I believe you create your luck. So maybe it takes time sometimes, but I think if you're strong, if you're determined, I think
Correct.
you can change your luck.
करेक्ट एंड देर आर पीपल हु से कि यार पैसों से सब खरीदा जाता है या डू यू बिलीव कि सिर्फ पैसों से सब कुछ होता है?
Money can't buy happiness.
Right.
Money can't buy good luck also. Money can only buy you external material things, which are important. But how you relate to them, how you react to them, how you feel about your life, and how you feel about the good and the bad,
Correct.
that strength is from within. Money can't buy that. So I think success follows happiness, and to be happy has nothing to do with money. So I think to be happy is about changing yourself from within.
करेक्ट.
And that is true success according to me. And I think the success that comes with money, I think, which is about material things, it gives you temporary pleasure, but it can feel very, very empty. It can feel very, very, make you feel very depressed also later if there's no real happiness from within.
Wonderful, yeah.
Not that I don't think those things are important. They are important, but they are not the be all and end all of your existence. Yeah.
Do you want water?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay. And आपने लक के बारे में भी मेंशन किया, पीपल से कि यार हार्ड वर्क ही सब कुछ होता है, बट समवेयर पर्सनल ऑन पर्सनल लेवल लक बहुत मैटर करता है, ये मुझे लगता है थ्रू माय एक्सपीरियंसेस. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से? आपको क्या लगता है?
It's very important. Sometimes we work very hard and we don't feel like things are falling in place, and sometimes we see people who are not as hardworking, but things work out for them much more. So it's a lot about timing, it's about luck. But as I said, no, it's not definite. You don't have to wait for another lifetime to change your luck or your destiny. I don't believe in feeling that, okay, I'm doomed in this lifetime.
Correct.
As far as my work or my love life is concerned, or as far as my money is concerned. You can always change that aspect of your life. You can change your destiny. Good karma, prayers, hard work.
Yeah.
Everything plays a role.
You're a very spiritual person, no?
I am spiritual, but I'm spiritual in a more realistic, in a more, I like to believe that I'm spiritual in a more practical manner. I don't believe in spiritualism which is
अंधश्रद्धा नहीं होनी चाहिए.
yeah, which denies the true aspects of life and your daily grind. I believe in accepting what you're going through, not running away from it.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
जैसे स्पिरिचुअलिटी की जब बात होती है आपके
कि
लिए
सब छोड़ के चले जाना और मतलब माउंटेन में चले जाना. No, I don't believe in that. I believe that your happiness lies where you are.
यहाँ पर, और आपका कर्मा जो भी है, डेस्टिनी में जो भी है उसको फेस करना है.
Yes, yes.
और यहीं पे जो
और
है,
खुशी खुशी निकलना है.
क्या बात है. एब्सोल्युटली. पनौती की लाइफ में भी बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं, एंड हाउ द स्टोरी डिफाइंस कि हाउ ही नेविगेट्स थ्रू इट एंड फाइंड्स हिज ओन पाथ.
Yes.
राइट. हाउ डज तुषार नेविगेट थ्रू हिज अप्स एंड डाउन्स इन लाइफ?
As I said, I'm a spiritual person, so I chant. I'm into Buddhism, and
That's a common factor though between two of us.
are you literate in Buddhism?
Yes, it
Okay.
has changed my life.
Yes, so it has changed my outlook to life too, and I think it's changes your life also eventually.
Absolutely.
So it helps you go through whatever you're going through in a manner where you feel very positive, very happy, and even if it's a bad phase, you don't feel as
Yeah.
as badgered as one would feel if
Yeah.
you were not. If I wasn't into this practice.
Chanting and all,
Yeah.
because it gives you hope.
Yes, though I'm not allowed to talk too much about
Of
it in the
course, of
media. We're
course.
not allowed. I think there are
Yeah.
regulations. But you can say it's a life-changing philosophy where you find your own inner wisdom.
Yeah,
and the
exactly.
ability to understand what you're going through.
Absolutely. So in
So
this,
that as it keeps me going in the good and the bad times.
oh
both,
wow,
yeah.
same for me. In this series, you've worked with Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary. Now, when you share screen space with your co-star, how do you build this chemistry that reflects on the screen? Like, do you have a process?
I think you can't plan it. I think with Priyanka, I think it was the day I met her and the day we started doing our first scene, there was something about the chemistry that I just felt like I'm in character.
Oh,
It was, and we're not even friends. We're now friends, but we weren't friends then. So it's uncanny. Even with Battu, Shan Grover, the day I started working with him, I think we were in character. We didn't need to do a workshop at all. With the two of them, I did no workshops.
oh,
And I did a lot of workshops on my own with other characters. With them, I didn't do any workshop. With
Right.
them, the chemistry is the best. So when the chemistry is there, you don't need a workshop.
correct.
So I don't know what strategy. There's no strategy behind this. Chemistry is chemistry. I think it's something about being with this person on screen,
Right.
on set, and rehearsing or acting with this person that clicks.
Right.
So it just felt like I'm in character and wow, tum kahan thi, all that just came naturally. I think people are connecting to the
Yeah, and
chemistry.
people are also praising. I read a lot of comments wherein people are praising about your chemistry that is seen on screen. So, do you chit chat like this offline?
Yeah,
Ki
yeah,
how was
yeah.
your experience?
I keep asking. We went to Big Boss also, no, recently to
Yeah, to
promote. So
promote.
of course, I kept asking, okay, how was her experience and what is Big Boss like, and is it worth going in?
Have you thought of it?
No, no, I never thought of it. It's not. I'm not cut out for it. Not my
What
cup
did
of tea.
Priyanka said कि नहीं बाबा यहाँ पे नहीं जाना है?
She
What
was very
it?
happy with the experience.
Yeah.
She said it's given her a lot, and she felt like there is a good and a bad to it. It depends on the personality. She says now that I'm out of the house, I feel like it was worth it. She was happy with
क्या
her
बात है?
experience.
Okay, so we have this untold tales करके segment wherein I'm going to mention few things and you have to tell us about the one tale, share one tale about it that we don't know about. Okay? So Golmaal franchise.
Something that you don't know about that. Initially, I was going to play that character with sign language without any sounds. I think people don't know that.
Yeah.
Or it was an added character. There were only 3 heroes, and then they added a 4th character by chance.
Oh.
And then I was offered that character. So it was destined.
Oh my god, that's one of my favorite character. As an actor, how did it impact you in your career? How did it reflect? And what did you take back from this character? Because I think not just mine, but everybody who has watched this franchise, your character is one of the most favorite.
Well, I learned a lot because I had to do a workshop, and it was quite an intense workshop with Vikas Kadam. He's a theatre actor, and what I take back from it is the fact that you should always try new things, and that's what I learned from doing Golmaal, because I never expected this franchise to go so far. We were all hoping, because it's a big film, that it should do well, but nobody thought it would be remembered and become a franchise,
Right.
and such a successful one. So it was a lot that I took back from it, I think, and I'm continuing to do so.
Absolutely. The second one is parenthood.
Parenthood is the most life fulfilling experience of mine, and I think it's the biggest blessing that I could have received from God. I think that is what makes my day complete, what gives me something to look forward to, someone to love, and something to do. What else can I say?
Absolutely. And when you embraced parenthood, how did your life transform? Internally, I'm sure.
It just filled up my day. It gave me focus and confidence. When you have focus in your life, then you have confidence also. It gives me a purpose, a reason to live, a reason to. I mean, I always had a reason to live, but a reason to live fully.
look
To
forward
live-
to the day.
Look forward to the day and to live to the best of my abilities and find the best version of myself. That is what parenting has given me.
क्या बात है? And if may I ask you, what is the most challenging thing being as a single parent for you?
There's nothing really challenging. Everything is eventually positive, but I think what is a little challenging is probably, all the parents are mostly in groups, and I'm not into any groups. So I think because I'm single, maybe it's hard to connect with these groups. So I depend on Lakshan as individual friends. We're not really a group. So that's maybe one thing that is challenging, but I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
I don't like groups.
Yeah,
I don't
as-
like groupism.
Oh, lovely. But as long as you two share a beautiful bond, I think that's sufficient.
More than enough, yes.
Yeah, it's
Where we
sufficient.
can
no?
be each other's best friends, and he has his friends, so we're happy.
Wow. And you get involved in the school activities.
Yeah, I am the only one who's
Very much.
most involved, yes.
क्या बात- उनको acting की पसंद है? Acting and all?
He hasn't watched Hindi movies yet. He's not interested in becoming an actor. He wants to be a footballer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
क्या बात है? Okay, we have one more interesting segment wherein I'm going to take few names and you have to give hashtags.
Huh.
Okay, whatever one word that comes to your mind. Priyanka Chahar Chaudhary.
Hashtag famous.
Wow. Ekta Kapoor.
Hashtag strong.
Kareena Kapoor.
Hashtag superstar.
Ajay Devgan.
Hashtag steady. Hashtag steady.
Taboo.
Hashtag talented.
Pariniti Chopra.
Hashtag Golmaal.
Absolutely.
Golmaal again, yeah.
Okay. Ritesh Deshmukh.
Hashtag partner in crime. Kya cool hai hum.
Of course. Vidya Balan.
Hashtag long time no see.
Oh, you haven't met her since long time.
Not worked with her in long
Oh, yeah. Isha Deol.
time. Hashtag buddy.
Okay, and the last one is Anita Hassanandani.
Hashtag ding dong.
Absolutely. And we have few comments for you. You have to react to that. Okay. Share about one panauti that you have experienced in life.
The pandemic. Okay.
Absolutely, yeah.
yeah.
For every one of us. Okay, the next one is we have loved you and Kareena Kapoor's chemistry in मुझे कुछ कहना है and जीना सिर्फ मेरे लिए. Will we ever get to see you both be back together?
I hope we've done Golmaal also together, two Golmaals. So I hope we get to work together again. But I don't know if we'll get to work romantically together again. You never know.
Yeah, I think they
So
want
we're
to see
playing
it like,
friends or enemies in Golmaal. I think in
Yeah.
one of the Golmaals, she was my sister. In one Golmaal, she was like a friend. So we've played all the different characters.
I think जीना सिर्फ मेरे लिए मुझे कुछ कहना है. They want to really know
They
in
want that zone, yeah.
that zone.
I think
Yeah.
अब किसी डायरेक्टर को बोलना पड़ेगा आपको.
है ना?
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Let's manifest. Okay, the last one is Golmaal 5 कब आएगी?
Hashtag don't know.
Hashtag don't know, but we really want to know as soon as possible because
People are waiting for it.
yeah, we all are excited and we all are waiting for it. And before I wind up, I really want to know what's next in the store. अब OTT पे डेब्यू कर लिया है तुषार ने. अब और बहुत सारे shows आने वाले हैं, movies आने वाली हैं, क्या
Movies
कुछ?
तो आने वाली है, I think. I don't know, but Kapi, that is a theatrical release.
Okay.
Then there's Dunk, which is for OTT primarily.
Okay.
And Hero Heroine is a Telugu film which I'm doing.
Telugu.
Welcome Back is going to be in theaters, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. But Telugu, like South.
Yes, yeah, first South film. But I'm playing a
First South
small
film.
character in that film.
Yeah, but still, it's South film.
Yes,
and
yes, it'll be a different experience.
it will be a different experience for us also to watch you in a South film. Have you learned the language or what is like?
No, I will have to learn the language for that movie.
Oh, you have to go through workshops and
Yes,
all.
yes.
Okay, we wish you all the best, Tushar. Keep
Thank you.
entertaining
Thank you
us,
so much.
keep inspiring us.
Thank you so much, all the viewers of Filmy Gyan.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Hi, this is Tushar here, and you are watching me on Filmy Gyan.